Alright everybody, welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you the very best website that helps you plan out all your content. Could be YouTube content, Instagram, Facebook, any social media. You can use this any way you want. It really don't even have to be for content. It could be for your life. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there's a couple things that you got to know so you don't get stuck on it. And let's get right into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications, smash that like button, it really helps us out. And let's get into it. Alright, so the website is called Trello. Now, this is by far one of the most in-depth planning websites. People call it an app. It's not an app, it's a website. But it's basically a planning website, like a planner. You can do all types of stuff in here. But first thing you're going to want to do is come to Trello.com and click sign up. I've already signed up. All you need is an email address. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to get right back to you. Now, if you're familiar with this, guys, if you want to look in the description below, it's going to have timestamps so you can skip ahead to certain parts if you want. But once you open up Trello, this is what it looks like here. It's not going to have any of these boards up here because you haven't created them yet. But if you look over here to the left, you're going to have boards, templates, home, and teams. Now, Supreme Ventures is the team that I have right now. I don't have any other members or anything. But let's just start out with the simple thing, which is boards. Now you can see your boards here, or you can always come and click up here and it'll bring up all your boards. Or you can always click home. This is the home screen here. Now, to create a board, you can click this plus button right here. Create a board, create a team, or create a business team. We're not going to get into the teams right now. I'm just going to show you how to do the board for now. Now, let's just do a title. I'm going to click test. And here's where you would select a different team. And you can come and select the background. And they got all types of other ones too. You just click right here. You can go to see more or see more colors. But we're just going to pick blue for now. And just click create board. Now once it brings it up here, this is inside the board. So if we went back home, and you see I have it as test here, I just click on that. And to the far right is going to be your menu. When it's X'd out, you could just click show menu here. And this is where all your controls are, all your settings and everything. But first thing you're going to want to do is add a list. You just click right there, add a list. We'll just put list 1. Okay, and click add. Now, once you have a list, you can add cards to that list. So, we got list 1, we'll have list 2, right? And add a card here. Let's just say YouTube. Make another one Facebook. Instagram. Right? Actually, we can turn this. Just click on here if you want to change it. Change it to social media. Okay, so social media is the name of the list. These are the names of the specific cards. And once you have some cards, like you can do anything you want, however you want to make it. It can be for anything you need. Personal stuff. It could be for video ideas. I'm going to show you an example of my board that I have for my channel, for all my video ideas and things, to-do lists and everything like that. But I'm just going to show you first how to create. Once you have the cards, you can click on each card and it's going to open up and it's going to have a lot of different options here. So up top, you can always change the name of it. Just click on it. It says it's a in the list social media, right? You can write a description. You can put labels, color code labels. Okay. Got them right there. You can add checklists. This is what I like to do. So say I'm making a video on YouTube, right? So I just click add. It's got a checklist for YouTube. Now we'll just put make a channel. Make a logo. Make channel art. Get 100 subscribers. And so on and so forth. You can do it however you want, whatever you got to write. Now, another thing you can do is add attachments. So you can add pictures, videos. So say this is your video idea. You come over here and go on your computer. You can add a thumbnail. Say you want to add a thumbnail. And that way you have all your stuff you need for your video all in one place. And then when you're ready to create it, you just got all your media, got all your checklists, and everything you need. Now, if this is a project or something too, you can add a due date. Say you want the due date to be tomorrow. Click on there. You can set a reminder. And the reminders will be sent to all the members of this card. Now, I didn't get into the members too much, but that's the teams. Like, you can make a specific team of other people that have Trello and add them all to one team. So you have people working for you, and you can show this visible to everyone in a specific group. Now, at the bottom on the right, here's a couple of things you can do. You can move it to a different board. You can move it to a different list, to a different position, like lower or higher, but I don't ever do that because it's easier just to move them like this. You can just move it up and down or move it to a different list. But if you want to move it to a different board, this is where you're going to want to do it. You can copy it, make a template. You can watch it, like if you have it in a group and other people are working on it, you can watch when there are changes made to it. Now, this is a big thing here, archive. Now, to delete stuff, you have to archive it first, right? So I'm going to delete it. So first thing I want to do is archive it and then click delete. Delete. But if you want to delete a whole list, you got to do it this way. You got to click archive this list, and then you go to show menu, go to more, click on archived items, and you're going to see your list here, and then you can click delete. And confirm it, and you're good to go. So if you're ever having trouble deleting a list, just make sure do how I showed you. I'll show you real quick one more time. Click on the three dots, archive this list, show menu, more, archived items, and down here it'll be showing up. Click delete. Now let's go home. I'm going to show you my board for my channel, Supreme Tech. Right, so here it is right here. You see I got a background. You can also star it to make it important, so if you want it at the top. But I'm going to click on it and open it up. Alright, so this is what the Supreme Tech one looks like. This is how you can star it. Just when you're in the board, click right here. And if you want to move, you just click on it and hold it down and move to the left or right. You can see all these different lists I have, right? These are all video ideas. On the far right, I got used videos, so videos I've already made. Keep going, I got different topics, technology, Google services, Android and iOS, gaming, online entrepreneur, Windows and Mac OS, just like computers. I got picture and video editing, content creation, entertainment, and TV apps and websites. Then I got the content queue. So like, this is gonna be a video I'm gonna make next. The best YouTuber apps and websites. So let's just go in here. I'm gonna show you. So that's the name of the card. Best YouTuber apps and programs, websites, and tools. I didn't put a description. I just used the description section to write little notes that I need to remember or something. But I usually use the checklist for stuff that I'm going to cover in the video. And if you see here, I got all these different apps. And then while I'm making the video, if I already covered one, I'll check it off. And it even tells you how much percent you're done. So say I had all these done. I am 36% done with the video. And same thing over here, you got all your actions. Share it, move it, copy it. And then over here you can add to the card a thumbnail. You can add little video clips, images, PNGs, anything you're going to need for your video, or anything else really. I mean, if you're doing, you can do your grocery list in here if you want. You can do anything you want to do. But that's just a quick little rundown of how I do videos. And I X out of that. And there's a lot that I didn't cover in this video, guys. Just make sure I show you how to move these around. You just click and hold on one, click and drag. You can bring it to any list or slide it up and down wherever you want to put it. What else is something that you gotta know? I already showed you how to delete lists. Click on this, click on archive list, delete. Here is where you can also do your actions. Oh, if you want to move a whole list, same thing like the cards. You just click up here, we're at the top of the list, and you can move the whole list. You can move it in different placements, wherever you want to put them. Oh, and one more thing, right here is where you can invite people to the board. So you just type in the email address and they can have access to everything on this board. They can look what they need to do. So like I said, if you have employees, this is great. Any business you can use this for. Don't have to be content creation, it could be anything. But comment down below if this video helped you out, if you think you're gonna use this website, if you think it's gonna help you out with your planning of your videos or your life or anything that you're gonna use it for. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.